Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Raggy, stop!
Big man, I need the Xbox on, please. Thank you.
Can you help me, Toby?
I feel like it's kind of mean to keep them inside for their whole lives. But that's just mine.
Stupid little cat.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you make
Can I kiss the pong? Can I kiss? Can I?
Bonk! Oh, where is Mama gonna sit? Right there? Oh, okay.
Andy, guess what? Chicken butt.
You paused it, babe. There you go.